La Laguna House by Fantuzzi Rodillo Arquitectos in Maitencillo, Chile. Housing is located in the La Laguna Sector, Zapallar commune, Chile. Located on a 2,500 square meters plot of land, the house is made up of 2 volumes, arranged facing the vehicular access and turned towards the northeast, allowing the patio to be hidden from the public road. A volume for a home with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen living room, and a second independent volume as a workshop on an area of 125 square meters. The program is organized by the entrance to the open-plan living room and kitchen, received by a continuous ceiling made of 2 by 1 inch brushed pine panels, in contrast to the layout of the bedrooms and bathrooms, which are proposed as opaque volumes. This distribution allows greater privacy in the bedrooms and bathrooms, unlike the social spaces open to the exterior patio. The volumes are made from prefabricated 2 by 4 inch pine partition panels on a polished concrete floor. The exterior covering is 1 x 5 inch pine board with black stain, while the interior covering is 15 mm plywood. The furniture was built on site in 15 mm plywood using the same material character as the interior lining.